Hi, and welcome to the introductory video on our Real Estate Analytics kit. This is Mark, a successful portfolio manager of a growing real estate company. Daily, Mark needs to make crucial decisions which will have a high impact on the growth of his company. What is the best investment strategy for the future, and how can he avoid to take unnecessary risks? What is the health status of his portfolio, and which buildings require immediate attention? He needs to provide financial continuity while reducing unnecessary costs and proactively manage his future cash flow. Mark needs to analyze his portfolio, take a close look on its vacancy situation, zoom into the financial status of his finances, and consider his current and future cash flow. On his dashboard, Mark gets a whole overview of his portfolio, including key measurements such as number of buildings per type and country or square meters. Interactive maps with key KPIs and different visualizations provide all the necessary insights which will guide Mark in his daily decision. Additionally, Mark can jump into all the necessary details from each place of his dashboard. Now, take control with our Real Estate Analytics kit. Expand your portfolio while managing your risks, provide continuity and refine your strategy. Return on investment, costs and risks, all of this is the path to your future success. So, do you want to find out more about our Real Estate Analytics kit? Then explore our packages, Portfolio 360 and the extension of Portfolio Finance. See more on Ctac.be and take control.